This is video number 23 of chapter number 17. Today our topic is optical fibers. The question is how long signals are sent through optical fibers. First of all, we define optical fiber. Optical fiber is a thin strand of high quality glass with a coating of low refractive index that absorbs very little light. This is of the size of human hair. An optical fiber cable is a bundle of glass fibers with thickness of a human hair. How light signals transmit through optical fibers. This is picture of optical fibers. This is core with less diameter and cladding with large diameter. Waves of visible light have much higher frequency than that of radio waves. If we compare optical fiber with radio waves, microwaves, we see that rate of sending of information with light beam is larger than that of radio waves or microwaves. An optical fiber has been used as transmission channel for this purpose. They are used in computer networking, cable television, telephone, and many medical fields. What is the working of optical fiber? Light that enter the core of one end of the optical fiber from here goes straight and hits the inner wall cladding of the optical fiber. This light enter from core and hit the cladding. This is outer part cladding. If the angle of incidence with the cladding, this is here, if angle of incidence with the cladding is less than the critical angle, some of the light will escape from the optical fiber and will be lost. But if the angle of incidence here, angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then light is totally internally reflected into the fiber optics. Then the totally reflected beam of light travel in a straight line until it hits the inner wall again and so on. What is advantage of optical fibers? The advantage of optical fibers is that it can be used for sending very high data rates over long distances. This feature of optical fiber distinguishes it from normal wires. When electrical signals are transmitted through wire, the signal loss increases with increasing the data rate. This decreases the range of the signal. But in multi-mode cables, each optical fiber is a multi-mode cable is about 10 times thicker than fiber optics used in the single mode cable. This is multi-mode cable. This means light beams can travel through the core by following different paths like this. Light is entering at different angles and will go at different angles. Hence we name it multi-mode cable. Multi-mode cable can send information only over relatively short distances and are used to link computer networks together.